Are you recording this or is it a picture? I'll take that as a video camera.
I have a big zit on my big butt.
Oh, now I get what I was saying. I have a big zit on my big butt. Let's do it.
Yeah, now I want to eat it. Let's hear the zit one.
The what one?
The zit.
You say what Ethan said. Go on, say it. I want to hear you say it. Come on, Grace.
I want to sound it. No!
Oh, goodness.
I like a donkey. Okay.
There's Grace laughing and then Grace hacking. What?
I said something already. I smell like a donkey. You said it.
You say it, Grace.
Here's Grace if she's gonna say, I smell like a donkey.
What do you smell like?
Hi, Raven. This is Mom. Mom, say something. We smell like donkeys, as we aforementioned.
We're that stupid.